going on, YouTube? This is the Handsome Mother Trucker, and this is my very first YouTube video. So the whole purpose of this video right here is to basically just try out my new GoPro I just got. It's a GoPro Hero 7 silver 4K, and it's supposed to be like up to 33 feet. You know what I'm saying? In water. You can take it in like 33 feet of water. Just basically just riding around, and we getting some footages what the playback gonna look like. If I can get out here in traffic real quick. A lot of cars and stuff coming, so safety first, right? Yeah, we just riding around my little neighborhood. I just got off the road, so I'm on my home time, and I ordered this GoPro like right when before I went out last time. You know what I'm saying? And it arrived while I was on the road, so I got home or whatever and hooked it up. I have been so anxious to get to it. You know what I'm saying? Recorded this and that, and you know what I'm saying, just trying out different little scenes or whatever, seeing what it looked like. I recorded in 4K, but with 4K, when I played it back on my computer, it was just skipping and jumping. So I was like, okay, let me just record in regular video mode and see what it looked like. So, like I said, I'm recording in regular video mode right now, and I played that back on my computer, and it, you know what I'm saying, it was playing straight through. So we just finna, you know what I'm saying, see what kind of footage we can get, and basically see what this GoPro life like. You know what I'm saying? Now, all my videos ain't gonna be just me just sitting here talking and y'all just hearing me just boring talk. My videos gonna have like effects in it. It'll have like, it's gonna mainly show me working. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be edited real good. I'm the one that edit, so I edit real good. I already do like movies and, you know what I'm saying, music videos and stuff like that for different people. So it ain't gonna be no thing to edit my own videos on my YouTube page. So yeah, we just riding around right now, and I guess I'll talk to y'all for a little minute until we get parked, get situated in my house. About 2 minutes away from my house. We ain't got that long, y'all. But yeah, so the GoPro came. You know, I had been getting emails about it that the GoPro was at home. So once I arrived at home, and you know what I'm saying, got my GoPro and set it all up, and checked it out and see what I was working with, what the quality looked like and stuff like that. I was impressed. You know, you can't go wrong with 4K quality anyway. It's like the best of the best, right? So you can't go wrong with 4K. But I'm gonna give y'all a brief summary of my life as far as truck driving. So when I first started driving trucks, I went to this school. It was like a 5-month course, and we drove a 10-speed manual the whole entire time. So you know, of course, I don't have any restrictions on my license. I can drive either or. I went to school for 5 months, graduated, got out of that course, and I started working for my first company called Western Express. It was based out of Nashville, and I worked for them for like 5 months. Got my experience with them, and I actually was gonna be with them a little longer until I came up on Schneider. So I was on my 10-hour reset one day, and I had got an email from Schneider basically saying that, hey, we're hiring, and we only need like 3 months experience. So I said, okay, I've been with this company right here 5.5. Let me see what Schneider talking about. So email Schneider, and I talked to a recruiter. Okay. The recruiter was telling me I needed like 3 months of experience for that particular account in Schneider, which I qualified for. I was overqualified for, so I was able to get it. So, you know, we basically, she got on the phone with me. She did a background check on me. She checked my ticket history, and not ticket history, but like MVR, motor vehicle report. So she checked all that. Everything came back good. When I finally did call the recruiter, I so happened to be in the hotel, so I had all kind of time on my hand to, you know what I'm saying, make the call and get all the information I needed, and, you know what I'm saying, figure out what I wanted to do as far as leaving Western Express and, you know what I'm saying, and transferring over to Snyder. I eventually came to the decision that I was gonna leave Western Express. For one, they wasn't paying enough. It was like a company, well, it's like a second chance company, and they pay you pennies. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I appreciate them for giving me a job though, because they didn't have to do that. So I appreciate them for giving me a job. You know what I'm saying? But it was pennies though, what they was paying. I went on ahead and put my 2 weeks notice in. I was like, okay, I'm making this amount over here. She said I can make this amount over here part-time. You know what I'm saying? Being gone like 7 days. It's like my account, like I'm only mandatory to work 7 days out the month. Any 7 days I want to pick. It doesn't have to be in order. It can be whatever order I want to put it in. And after I work any 7 days in the month, I can be out for the rest of the month. But you know, you're not gonna make no money if you out for the rest of for that whole month. So I don't do mine like that. What I do is, oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. So by me already having 5 months experience, 5.5 months experience, orientation for me is Snyder one number like 3 days. So I think it was like a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. After those 3 days, I went home for like a week or so like that. And after that, I came back on the road and got my first load and stuff like that, and it was history. So I've been with Snyder going on a year now. You know what I'm saying? I love Snyder. The pay is great. I make great money. I cannot complain. You know what I'm saying? So I just like, well, you know, let me give me a GoPro, and you know what I'm saying, let me add some fun to it. Let me show these people a day in the life of a truck driver, of a Snyder truck driver, of a handsome truck driver at that. You feel? What I do is I do like 7 days out, and then I come home for like 3 days. Go back out for 7 days, come back home 3 days. Go back out 7 days, come back home 3 days. Go back out 7 days, come back home 3 days. Something like that. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes if I'm, you know, if I'm kind of burnt out off with it, I take 2 weeks off, or I take a week off. So it's like I play with my schedule. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to request PTO for time off. My schedule is what it is. I basically control my schedule. You know what I'm saying? Like, so it's cool. You know what I'm saying? I only do like a 1,000-mile radius outside of my home terminal, so it's pretty cool. You know, they get me home very fair. They get me home. You know what I'm saying? And it's cool. But yeah, man, this is my first video, man. Make sure y'all like. I don't care about commenting. You ain't gotta do that if you don't want to. But make sure y'all like, and y'all make sure y'all subscribe, man, to this video, man. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel. I got more videos coming. More entertaining videos, let me say that, because I know y'all like, man, what is this guy talking about? They probably talking about my accent and everything, man. I'm from the South, man. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel. First and foremost, hit that notification bell. And when you hit that notification bell, you gotta hit that bell to where it say all. You know what I'm saying? That way you get all the videos and you won't miss no video, and you won't be like, man, what a handsome mother truck at? I ain't seen this man in a minute. He ain't dropping nothing. Nah, you just ain't subscribed to where you can get all my videos. It's been a blessing. It's been a good time talking to y'all, and it's been another video from the Handsome Trucker. We out.